Children, so this is another period for your math class. So I welcome you again to the math class, children. Today the day is Wednesday and it is 10th of November 2021. So children, you know that we are doing chapter 10 time measurement. We have completed exercise 57 in the previous class and now we will do exercise 58 1, 2 and 3, which is in page number 160 and 161. So in the last class, children, we learned about the time in the clock, the shorthand and longhand. Yes, the name of the shorthand is hour hand and the name of the longhand is minute hand. We learn all this. We also learn to watch the time, yes, and to name the time. Now in today's class, in this class we will learn about AM and PM. So AM means, children, after meridian, which starts at midnight. Midnight means in the night when you are sleeping, when it is 12, at that time 12 AM starts. And from there AM continues till the noon 12. Okay, then after PM, that means past meridian starts. When 12, when we all are having classes, yes, at mid-noon of 12 we all are having classes. So from that 12 we will say PM to again till 11 PM, then after till midnight, when the midnight 12 will be there, 12 at night will be there, we say that 12 AM. And when noon 12 in a day, after that we will count 12 PM, 1 PM, 2 PM, 3 PM, 4 PM, in this manner. Okay, so AM and PM. So children, hope it is clear to you all. So if you have to calculate complete hours between AM and PM or AM to AM, you can see if the time is starting from 12 AM to 6 AM. So you have to count 6 minus 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12, you can't say 13, yes? Because after 12, we will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So next, you can see 7:32 PM to 12:32 PM. So in the same manner you will count. Next, okay, this will be little bit tough for you. So we will do the exercises. Okay, so we have to count the time in this manner. So children, in today's class we will do exercise 58, number 1, 2 and 3. So let us proceed to our class. Children, here you can see fill in the blanks by using AM or PM. So 9 o'clock in the morning means 9 AM. Now 10 o'clock before noon. 10 o'clock before noon. Noon means we haven't reached 12 at noon. So it will be 10 AM. So here you will write 10 AM. Okay. Next children, 2 o'clock at night. 2 o'clock at night means it will it has crossed 12 PM. Okay, so sorry, 12 AM. So that will be also 2 AM. Now 3 o'clock in the evening. What we will write for 3 o'clock in the evening? We will write 3 PM. Okay, next children, 12:30 afternoon. So after 12 in the afternoon, we know that we will write PM. So that will be 12:30. What you will write? PM. Okay, 11:39 before noon. So that will be before noon. So PM hasn't started. Yes, so we will write AM only. 11:39 AM. So children, in the same manner you will do H and G. Okay, 4 after midnight. So children, choose the correct time for each. So a football match is generally played at 4 AM or 4 PM. A football match is generally played at 4 PM. Next, you get up at 6 AM or 6 PM in the morning. You get up at 6 AM because 6 PM means it's in the evening. You go to school at 8:30 AM or 8:30 PM. You go to school at 8:30 AM. The sun sets at 6:30 AM or 6:30 PM. The sun sets at 6:30 PM. The sun rises at 5:30 PM or 5:30 AM. The sun rises at 5:30 a.m. Now children, I have already told you that you have to write the numbers of hours between the given time. So first one 12 noon and 4 p.m. 12 noon means 12 p.m. So you just have to add 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, right? Now 3 a.m. to 8 a.m. So start counting from 3 to 8. You will start counting from 4 to 8. 3 is already there. 3 is there. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many hours are there? Correct. There are 5 hours. So you will write 5 hours. Next children, number C. 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. How many hours are there between 6 a.m. and 10 a.m.? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many hours are there? There are 4 hours. So you will write there are 4 hours. Next children, number D. 10 p.m. and 7 a.m. 7 a.m. means in the morning. 10 p.m. means in the night. Okay, so 10. Yes, after we have to reach 10 to 7 a.m. So 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hours. There are 9 hours between 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. because we are 10 p.m. means at night and 7 a.m. means in the morning. So 10, 11, 12. After that you have to count 1. 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 9 hours. So you will write 9 hours. Okay children. So in the same manner you will do E 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So 10, start counting. 10 is there. Yes. So 10 to 4 p.m. because it's in a.m. 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. So how much you will write? You will write 6 hours. So in the same manner children, you will do F and G for your home assignment. Okay, hope this is clear to you all. So I will see you in the next class. Thank you everyone.